Welcome back, friends. Previously, we learned the example in which we need to convert ratio into percentage, decimal into percentage. Also, we learned some example in which we need to convert decimal and fraction to percentage and percentage to decimal fraction. Okay, we solved word problem also. Now, today we will start some new concept, that is converting percentage to how many. Converting percentage to how many means percentage of some number is given and you need to find what is that answer. So let's take with example, find 8% of 125. So what is the question? 8% of 125. Now in a previous chapter, decimal and fraction, we learned the operator of. Okay, so here 8%. Now what is 8%? 8% it means 8 by 100. Okay, percentage to fraction. Of, that is your operator of, means it is a multiplication, so it is multiplied 125. So 8% of 125 can be written as 8 by 100 multiplied 125. Now perform the simplification. So here 20, 25 4s are 25, 5s are 120. 4 2s are 8, so it is 10. Means 8% of 125 is 10. If you take 8% of 125, it represents 10. Clear? Now next one. Find 13% of 300 kilometer. 13% means 13 by 100. Operator of means multiplication and 300. 300 is in a numerator and 100 is in a denominator, so we can cut the common factor 0. 33 are 39. So 13% of 300 kilometer is 39 kilometer. Okay. Now next one, find 16% of 625 liters. So here we can write 16% means 16 by 100 of, that represents multiplication, 625. Now 625 is equal to 25 multiply 25 and 100 means 25 4s are. Write the factors of number. So 25 will be cancelled out here 4. 16, 4 4s are 16. So now we have 25 into 4, that is 100. So 16% of 625 is 100 liters. 15% of rupees 250. So again we can write 15% means 15 by 100. Operator of means it is a multiplication and 250. Now here we can cancel out the 0. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 15 5s are 75 by 10. Now here we can divide 75 by 10. So we will get 37.5. So 15% of 250 is 37.5. Now next one, 18% of 900 kilometers. So it is 18% means 18 by 100 of means multiplication 900 kilometers. So we can here cut the 0. So 18 into 9 it is 162. So 18% of 900 represent 162 kilometer. Now next one, 2% of 16. So here 2% means 2 by 100 of means multiplication, multiply 16. Now here we cannot get any common factor, so here 16 to 0. 32 by 100, so it is 0.32. 2% of 16 is 0.30. Clear? Now next one. What percentage of 1 kg is 16 gram? Now here you can see this is 1 kg, this is 16 gram, and you need to find the what percentage. Percentage you need to find. So here first of all we will convert 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram because both unit must be same. It means you need to find what percent of 1000 gram is equal to 16 gram. Okay. Now what percent means, let us assume it is X percent. X percent of 1000 gram is 16 gram. Okay. So now X percent means X by 100 of means multiply by 1000 is equal to 16. Here we can cancel out this 0. Now 10 will be in a divide. So here we can write X is equal to 16 by 10. So X is equal to 1.6%. So 1.6% of 1000 gram, or you can say 1 kg is equal to 16 gram. Okay, so this way you can find the percentage also. The next one, for what percent of 3 days is 18 hours? Now here you can see this is a days and this is hours, units are different. So first of all we will convert it into same unit. So let's convert days into hours, as we learned that it is better to convert larger to smaller. So here 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 3 days is equal to 24 multiplied 3. That is 72 hours. Now here you need to find what percentage. What percent of 3 days it is equal to 72 hours is equal to 18 hours. What percent means, let us assume it is X percent of 72 is equal to 18. X percent means X by 100 multiply 72 of means multiplication 72 is equal to 80. Now 100 that is in a denominator, we need to find X here. So more remaining numbers on right side. 72 will be in a denominator and 100 will be in a multiplication. Now 18 fours are 4, 25 is 100. So it is 25% of 3 days is 18 hours. 25% of 3 days is equal to 18 hours. Now let's take the next example. What percentage of 4 meter is 25 centimeter? So this one is in a 4 meter, unit is meter and 25 centimeter. So again we need to perform the conversion. Now which unit we will convert? We convert meter into centimeter. So we can write 1 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 4 meter is equal to 4 multiply 100, that is 400 centimeter. Now we need to find what percent. So we can write X percent of 400 centimeter is equal to 25 centimeter. Now X percent means X by 100 of means multiplication 400 is equal to 25. So here we can cut the common 0. Now 4 that is in a multiplication become division. So we can write X is equal to 25 by 4. So X is equal to 6.25%. So here 6.25% of 4 meter is 25 centimeter. Now next one. What percent of 4.5 liters is 150 ml? One is in ml and one unit is in a liter. So conversion. Now which unit we will convert? Liters into ml. 1 liter is equal to how much ml? It is 1000 ml. So 4.5 liters is equal to 4.5 multiply 1000. So 4.5 can be written as 45 by 10 multiply 1000. 0 will be cancelled. So it is 4500 ml. Now you need to find what percent of 4500 ml is 150 ml. So we can write X percent of 4500 ml is equal to 150 ml. Now X percent means X by 100 multiply 4500 is equal to 150. So you can cut here common factor 0, 0. Now we need to find X. So take 45 in the denominator. So X is equal to 150 divide 45. So find out the factor. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So these are the factor of 150. 45, 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 40. So here we can cut 5, 3. Now 5 2s are 10 by 3. So here 3.3% is represent. 3.3% of 4.5 liter is 150 ml. Now next one. This is the example that is given in your textbook. A survey of 40 children showed that 25% like playing football. Means total 40 students are surveyed and from that 25% like football. How many children like playing football? So here you need to find 25% of 40 children. Okay, because the total number of children are 40 and from 40, 25% like football. So percentage are given and you need to find number of students. So we can write 25% of total children like football. So here we can write 25% of total children are 40. So we need to find 25% of 40. So 25 divide 100 multiply 40. Now here we can cut 0. 25 4s are 100 divide by 10. So 10 means 10 children like football. So from 40, 10 children like football, that is 25% of total children. Now next one, these are the example of try this from the textbook. So here first example, now 50% of 164, you need to find 50% of 164. So we can write 50% means 50 by 100, of means multiplication, 164. 50 2s are 100, so 82. So 50% of 164 is 80. Now next one, 75% of 12, so that is what? 75 by 100 of means multiplication 12. Now factor of 75, so 25 3s are 25 4s are 100 and the factor of 12 is 4 3s are. So here 25 will be cancelled, 4 will be cancelled, so it is 9. 75% of 12 is 9. Now next one, 12 1 by 2% of 64. So 12 1 by 2 is 22, 12 is 24 plus 1. 25 by 2% of 64. So 25 by 2 percentage means it is divided by 100, of means multiplication 64. 25 by 2 is 25 by 2 divide 100 because it is a percentage, so we need to divide it by 100. Now 2, that will be in a multiplication with 100. So we will get 25, 2 multiply 100, 64. 25 4s are 100, 8 8s are 64, so 8. If you cut the common factor, you will get answer 8. So 12 1 by 2% of 64 is 8. First of all, convert this mixed fraction into improper. 12 2s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 2%. Now 25 by 2%, it means divide it by 100. Multiply 64. Now 2 will be in a multiplication of 100, so it is 2 multiply 100. 25 4s are 100, 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64. So answer is 8. Now next one, 8% of children of a class of 25 like getting wet in a rain. 8% of 25. Total children are 25. So it is 8% of 25 like wet in a rain. How many children are like to get wet in a rain? So here we need to find 8% of 25. So 8% means 8 by 100 multiply 25. 25 4s are 100, 4 2s are 8. Means 2 children like to get wet in Now next one. Rahul bought a sweater and saved 20 rupees when the discount 25% was given. What was the price before discount? So here discount is 25%, but discount is given on a marked price. So what is the original price of sweater is not known to us, but after discount he saved 20 rupees. So we can write 25% of price of sweater. If we take 25% of price of sweater, it will give 20 rupees. But we don't know what is the price of sweater. So let's say it is X is equal to 20. Now 25% means 25 by 100. Of means it is a multiplication. X is equal to 20. Here 25 4 is 100. Now 4 that is in the denominator become multiplication. So X is equal to 4 multiplied 20. So X is equal to 80. Means if price of sweater is 80 rupees and discount is 25%, then he saved 20 rupees. Clear? Now next one. This is the example from the try this. First, 9 is 25% of what number? So here you need to write 25% of number is 9. Now what number is not known to us? So it is 25% of X is equal to 9. So 25% means 25 by 100. Of means multiplication. X is equal to 9. 25 4 is 100. That 4 in a divide. So become multiplication. To find X here, X is equal to 9 4 is 100. So X is equal to 36. So 25% of 36 is 9. Now next one. 75% of what number is 15? So we can write 75% of number is equal to 15. So 75% of X, we can write number not known to us. So it is 15. Now 75 divide 100. Of means multiplication. X 15. 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. So take 4 in a numerator because it is in a denominator, and 3 in a denominator because here it is in a numerator. Find X here. So X 15 multiply 4 divide 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. So 75% of 20 gives 75% of 20 is 50. So here these are the example that you need to solve in homework. So here find the percentage of number, that is how many, and these are the you need to find the number by taking the variable X. So this for example you can solve by taking variable X.